Hello everybody, I just wanted to say something for thank you for 400 subscribers. Yes, we achieved our goal for right now. Our next goal is 520. So yes, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, and we're trying to get better at making videos, so we need you to subscribe. But I'm gonna set this here. I'm gonna go get paid. So I'll be back. We're gonna try and like figure out here. Still recording? Okay, we're good. Alright. Felt like that could have been actually long for you guys. Yeah, so we're gonna... Alright, Peyton, so I just found this random bag. It's mine, I know it, but also mine had my name tag on it, so...
And I found this random watermelon.
No, like I'm being serious right now. This is not my bag. Let's see what's in here. Hold on. Oh, what's this? Ooh, what's this? Wow. Oh my god, yeah.
Guys, we want to show you.
Thank you for 400 subscribers. Please like and subscribe. Our goal right now is 550. Then our next goal is 1,000. 1,000 is our first play button. What? But that was my old design, but it didn't really work out. We're not keeping that. I'm just gonna. But yeah.
There's some child yelling out here right now.
Oh, let's go.
Like
yes, thank you. Please like and subscribe. It really helps our channel.
Guys, I want to show you something.
This is our goal right now. It's amazing.
I have Orbeez.
We'll make. So yeah, this is amazing.
Because come here.
What? We need to hang this up.
Look at this. Look what our mom is growing.
Honeydew.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Please like and subscribe.
Yeah.
It really helps our channel. But yeah, I'm gonna